Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. After a 3.3% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed 1.9% in the red. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US mortgage rates increased to a fresh 6-month high this week, a trend that, together with elevated house prices, could further squeeze potential buyers from the market. The average rate on the popular 30-year fixed-rate mortgage climbed to 6.93%, the highest level since early July. Bitcoin security firm PeckShield reported that hackers and scammers stole more than $3 billion in crypto-related activities in 2024, a significant increase over that of the previous year. It represents a 15% or $400 million increase over 2023. The pound hit its lowest since late 2023, under pressure from a sell-off in global bonds that has driven the UK government's borrowing costs to their highest in over 16 years, which has reignited concern about Britain's finances.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT. The US USDA WASDE report at 17 GMT. Italy's retail sales at 9 GMT. Finland's industrial output will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 18 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.